Hello friends, so today I am going to teach you how to make a sunset scene. So first we need to take a file, go to file and take a new page. Do it, okay? We got a new page. So first we are going to do the background. So we are already in airbrush. Go to soft. So for the background we are first going to use dark orange. Do the size a little big from here. Like this. Now let's do it a little lighter from this color wheel. And a little bit more light. And now let's do a little dark yellow. Now we can do it blend. Choose a small brush to do it blend. With this it can get nice and smoothly blend. Now we are going to make the scene. For that we are going to go to the airbrush and choose this. No. Now we are going to choose the color blue, size 120. You can rub it with Ctrl Z. Now color. Make sure that there are empty small spaces to make it look like the sea. So now we are going to choose really light blue to cover. Now we are going to choose little light yellow and use it to make the sun. Rub it with Ctrl Z. Now we can make the sun blend by fingertip. And a little bit. And now we'll use dark blue, size 7 to make small wheels. Or we should do it to 8. 17th number, and now go to brush and to 17 and make small wheel. Now we need to make a tree. Go to pen, choose this and go to black. We are going to choose the size this much. Oh no, wait. If the page gets high, just do it like this. Now we are going to make the tree. Like this, we are going to make it end. And now go to a brush and choose droplet. Make the size 70. No. Yes, 120 size. Now go to pen and make a branch. Go to a brush again and then droplet. Done, and then you can go to pen again and make birds. Go to number 17 and also make another bird sitting. And now our sunset scene is ready. Goodbye.